Hi all, welcome back to BType channel. Today we will learn how to extend the Wi-Fi signals for better connectivity. Before that, don't forget to click subscribe and click on the notification bell to get alerts on new video updates from our channel. Also, if you like this video, kindly share with your friends and family and let them know that there is a new channel in YouTube. Here I am using the S9 Plus from Samsung. On the receiver end we have the iPhone. You can notice that we have the active Wi-Fi network. Mobile data is switched off. Let us start the mobile hotspot now. I have not added any password for this hotspot. We shall connect the iPhone to this hotspot to know if the Samsung S9 Plus can help in Wi-Fi tethering. It is connected. Yes. Now we can see that the images are loading. So now you guys know that the S9 Plus can be used as a Wi-Fi extender directly. There is no separate device required for us to use. Open the Netshare app, start the Wi-Fi hotspot. Click on help to know how to use the app on Android. Go back and select the options and click on help to know how to connect to different devices like PC, PlayStation, iPhone, Android, etc. This helps us in configuring the proxy settings for each device. So you can connect almost all the devices to this Netshare app and you can simply Wi-Fi tether with every other device. Follow this if you have the Netshare app on the receiving device. Connect to the mobile hotspot and enter the password. Stay connected to this hotspot. Then, once you open the Netshare app, it will ask you to connect to a VPN network, allow it, and then start browsing easily. Follow this method if you don't have the Netshare app on the receiving device. Click on the Wi-Fi, then select the hotspot and click on the settings. You can see advanced here and then click on the proxy. Set it to manual and enter the proxy host name as I have written here and proxy port number as 8282 and then click save. Go back and you can start browsing. Use the search bar and then search for the hotspot settings. Enter the hotspot settings like network name and network password. Once you have entered the password, click on save and then go back to the main screen. Once you are in the main screen, select this icon and then switch on the mobile hotspot. Once the mobile hotspot is on, you can connect your devices to this hotspot. And once you have used it, you can close it and switch off your PC.